Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, what are the examples of malunion of the fractures? So, in the examples of malunion of the fractures, fracture clavicle, fracture supracondylar fracture of humerus, fracture supracondylar fracture of humerus, and also fracture intertrochanteric fracture of the femur, and also Colles fracture. So, fracture clavicle, fracture supracondylar fracture of humerus, fracture intertrochanteric fracture of femur, and fracture Colles fracture are the examples of malunion of the fracture.
thank you and thank you for watching.